Hi everybody. Hello everybody, this is Fred. Feeling a little better today. Kinda cool outside a little bit, but garden out there. Got a little moisture in it. I'm out walking around, feeling a little better. Right down there. Yeah, but it's tilled up. That and over there. These over here, I ain't planted nothing yet. I had to take some of this and poke some holes in the bottom, let the water out, let it warm up a little bit for the rain and stuff. Get the rainwater out of them. Plant me some carrots and peppers. I think tomorrow I'll cut the tops off of these. Yeah, over here at the bench, I'm gonna go ahead and add the end boards across there. Some scrap. I'm gonna add the end boards and stuff to the bench. Add the end boards to it and turn it over. See if I got to add some more boards and make it stable. That's all I got to do, just the end boards, and put some stain and varnish on the top. But it's been raining, so we're gonna let that get all dry. That's just all I've been doing. Took the tops out of them. Get some more potting soil. Maybe about 5 more of them for some carrots or peppers. Yep. I'm gonna do some wood carving when I kind of get stuff planted. Cleaned up my mess over here. Stuff up here needs to be thrown away. So thanks for watching. Just out and about a little bit. Yeah, the rain's got the garden wet. Can't plant yet for about 5 days. Give it time to dry. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.